Hi, Bradley. This is Victoria from CoffeeChip, and I wanted to show you really quickly. Let me see if I can. It's the first time I try a whiteboard on a meeting, but the idea that I had and that I know works really well, and it's really cheap and with great results, is the following. For example, you told me that you are targeting gym owners, so the idea would be the following. I'm sorry for my drawing abilities on whiteboard, but the idea is you have your Instagram feed node. So for example, you have here one post, here you have another post, and here you have another post. Well, here you have more posts, here, here, and here. So for example, I have never done any targeting to gym owners, but with some research, for example, I don't know, you could have, let me say, how to choose the best equipment for your gym. I don't know, for example. Then you can have another one that is safety measures every gym should have, or every gym should follow. Then the top 10 bodybuilding exercises you should teach at your gym. I am totally rambling here, but I'm trying to give you kind of the idea. I don't know how to do the text smaller, but well, for example, you make these 3 posts organically. This one starts to have really a lot of traction, of natural traction. So what you do is go to the so-called blue button of the devil that people that know of ads don't like that button, but it has better targeting things nowadays than it used to, and it's also kind of the first step in this funnel. So you go here to post, you could limit it for example, gym owners, and start bringing people to visit your profile. That would be the main action. So this, let me see how I can draw you here. Draw one. This post will start to have more traction, and more traction, more people visiting your profile. But the good thing with this is that they will be qualified leads. You will kind of gain visibility, brand visibility. And now say, let's, for example, that this reaches 100K of likes. Now what you do is a specific post that it's more kind of more targeted, more, let me think, kind of a mini video teasing gym owners if they would like to have, wouldn't it be awesome to have a well-crafted guide with XX thing, or maybe not so direct in this point, but do something like another post with content that you know your audience will love. But what you do is this new post that you will create up here, this is a new post, and in this one you do go to the Facebook Ads Manager, you pick the audience that engage in this post, and you retarget it with this post. Then you will have people engaging with this one. And when you have people engaging with this one, you retarget them again on the Facebook Ads Manager. I don't know if you are still seeing there, with a new one, but this one is more direct. It could be, for example, a carousel with different tips for gym owners or some content that you know. And the final slide is downloadable. Kind of go visit or comment me, and you have a ManyChat flow in place so that people can register, and you even can have forms so that they automatically have their email and name inputted, so they just have to click submit. They don't have to do anything. They get the guide and you get the email. That would be one. Another one could be, instead of a carousel, a post that it's got kind of a mini teaser to a webinar or something like that. A mini teaser, just an image, a reel from the brand owner also could work. But all those will go retargeting the ones that interacted here. And with that, you have a more qualified audience to kind of don't do cold outreach, but yes, generate leads at a really low cost, because you can do this with just, for example, $3 daily. So it would be a really low budget weekly. The other thing that you can do, let me see, because I lost the cursor. I don't know where I am. Well, I lost the, just a second. Let me see, whiteboard here. So estoy grabando. What you can do is ManyChat flow. So you have one post, for example, this one, and you kind of can say, want to know more or want to get an exclusive guide on how to make the perfect classes to implement these tips. Comment, I don't know, the strong arm emoji. And when people do that, that triggers a ManyChat flow that asks them for permission to send them messages. You have a 24-hour window where you can message people. And there you can tell them, well, you want the guide now that you have subscribed and everything is in place, so that we don't be at the eyes of Facebook and Instagram as spammy. Now we have your thumbs up. Now the next step would be, here is your link, and you can tag them inside the ManyChat flow and let them know. You can have them categorized. So for example, when you have free masterclass or a freebie or something like that, you can pay in ManyChat and have a broadcast message sent to all of them, to all the ones that were interested in downloading, and make click in the link to download. And there you can have another kind of audience. Well, hope this was of help, and let me know if you need anything else.